Address. This query trigger facilitates a user to find companies based on PIN codes or state, districts or addresses of the registered office or head office or registrar's office. The registered office, the head office, and the registrar office options are radio buttons on the top of the query trigger. You can make only one selection at a time. Let us understand the functioning of this query trigger with the help of an example. Suppose we want to find out companies whose registered office is in Nariman Point, Mumbai. You can do so using 5 simple steps. To conduct a search on this query trigger, you need to first select the appropriate radio buttons from the top. The radio button registered office is selected by default, and let us retain that selection. The first step is to find companies by entering the PIN code. If you know the PIN code of Nariman Point, Mumbai, then you need to type the same in the Enter PIN code or Range of PIN code box. If you don't know the PIN code of Nariman Point, Mumbai, then you need to enter Nariman Point in the Enter pattern for search within Registered Office Address box. Let us enter the PIN code in the Enter PIN code or Range of PIN code box as 400021. Please note that the PIN code should be entered without spaces and it should not be less or more than a 6-digit code. The second step is to select the indicators from the Select Indicator box. An indicator can be selected by clicking on an empty checkbox. You can select multiple indicators at a time. Let us select the indicators Address 1, Address 2, Address 3 and PIN code. The third step is to choose the appropriate domain. There are 2 domains available, All Companies and Companies in Current OSC. Selection of the domain All Company means search is conducted over all companies available in Provis IQ database. Selection of the domain Companies in Current OSC means search is conducted on companies available in the output sheet. Let us select the domain All Companies. The fourth step is to select the appropriate output destination from Select Output Destination box. There are 2 formats possible. The first is the OSC format, which lists the companies along with their registered office address. The other output destination is the TXT output, which displays the same data in a text file. The location and the name of the text file can be changed by you. The default file name is mentioned under File Name. Let us select OSC as our output destination. The fifth step is to click on the appropriate Execute option to make selections. Since we have selected All Companies as our domain, then we will need to either add the selected list of companies to an already selected set of companies using the Add to Current OSC, or we will need to create a new list of companies using the option Send to New OSC, or we will need to replace the content in the current output sheet with the new contents using Replace Current OSC. Let us click on Send to New OSC. After the query has been successfully executed, the New Outputs tab will start blinking. Click on the New Outputs tab and download the output from the output downloader by clicking on Continue. Provis IQ will display the list of companies with their registered address PIN code of 40021 in the output sheet.